Which steering wheel cover is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Alzorp Microfiber Leather Cover. Let's kick things off with the Alzorp car steering wheel cover. Priced at just $9.99. This cover caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive 4.3-star rating from over 6,200 reviews. If you want a stylish, affordable solution to protect your steering wheel, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this one stand out? First off, it's crafted with high-quality microfiber leather, which means not only does it look good, but it's durable too. The anti-slip lining is a game changer as it gives you a secure grip, especially during those long drives. Plus, it fits standard steering wheels from 14.5 to 15 inches, making it super versatile for most cars. With over 10,000 units sold this month, people are clearly loving it. Now, I'll be real with you. Some buyers mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky if you don't warm it up first. Here's the thing though, once you get it on, it fits snugly and looks fantastic. So if you're not afraid of a little prep work, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical cover that doesn't skimp on style. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel, as some might find this cover a bit basic in texture. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something with a bit more flair, the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and style. Product number 2, Valley Comfy Microfiber Cover. Next up is the Valley Comfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. At $15.99, it's a step up in terms of quality, boasting a 4.6-star rating with over 42,100 reviews. If you want a cover that combines aesthetics with functionality, keep listening. This cover is made from high-quality microfiber leather, which feels soft and luxurious to the touch. It's designed for steering wheels ranging from 14.5 to 15 inches, but here's why this matters for you. It provides a snug, comfortable grip that can reduce driving fatigue. The skid-proof feature means you won't have to worry about slipping, especially in those hot summer months. However, some users pointed out that while it looks great, it can get a little warm during prolonged use. Here's my take. It's not a deal breaker in most scenarios, especially if you're using it for short commutes or errands. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cover that enhances your driving experience. Skip this one if you need something that stays cool in all weather conditions, as it might not be ideal for long road trips in the heat. Now, if the price of the last one was a concern, wait until you hear about our next pick, which is equally stylish, but at a more budget-friendly price. Product number 3, SEG Direct Microfiber Cover. Now let's talk about the SEG Direct Black Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. Also priced at $15.99 and holding a 4.6-star rating from nearly 48,000 reviews. This one is making waves for its comfort and grip. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The first thing you'll notice is its delicate splicing design, which not only adds to your car's aesthetics, but also provides a soft feel that enhances grip. The anti-slip rubber lining is a huge plus, ensuring that you maintain control while driving. Plus, it protects your steering wheel from wear and sun damage, making it a smart investment for your vehicle. However, a few customers did mention that some of the stitching might fray after extensive use. But honestly, for the price and the comfort it offers, I think it's a reasonable trade-off for most drivers. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cover that adds comfort and protection. Skip this if you're looking for a cover that guarantees long-term durability under heavy use, as some wear may occur over time. Now, if you're looking for something with a more luxurious feel, our next product is definitely going to catch your attention. Product number 4, Elan-Trip Steering Wheel Cover. Next, we have the Elan-Trip Steering Wheel Cover, priced at just $8.99 and rated 4.5 stars with over 16,900 reviews. If you want something that offers great comfort on a budget, this one deserves a closer look. This cover is made for standard 14.5 to 15-inch steering wheels, fitting snugly to reduce any unwanted movement while driving. The soft padded grip improves comfort, especially during long drives, making it perfect for your daily commute. Plus, it's incredibly easy to install in just 3 steps. No tools needed. That said, Some users found it a bit too thin for their liking, which could affect the overall feel. Personally, I think it's a great option if you want a simple cover that does the job without any frills. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable cover that keeps things straightforward. Skip this if you want something thicker or more luxurious, as this one is very much a budget option. Now, if you're a Tesla owner looking for something specifically designed for your model, don't miss what's coming up next. Product number 5, Uxer Napple Leather Cover. Finally, we have the Uxer Napple Leather Steering Wheel Cover, designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Y, priced at $22.49. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,300 reviews. This product is tailored for those who want a perfect fit and premium feel. What stands out here is the perfect fit. It's designed specifically for Tesla vehicles, which means it fits like a glove. The breathable Nappa leather exterior provides a comfortable touch, and the anti-slip silicone lining ensures you have a secure grip while driving. Plus, it protects your steering wheel from sun damage and wear, which is crucial for maintaining that sleek Tesla interior. However, some buyers reported that it may be a tight fit for users with larger hands. But honestly, if you're a Tesla owner, the custom fit and premium materials are likely worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you own a Tesla and want to enhance your driving experience with a luxury touch. Skip this if you're looking for a universal fit, as this is specifically designed for Tesla models only. In conclusion, we've covered a diverse range of steering wheel covers, from budget-friendly options to more premium choices. Whether you value style, comfort, or a specific fit for your vehicle, there's something here for everyone. After reviewing these 5 steering wheel covers, you can see that there's a lot to choose from. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking to splurge a bit for that premium feel, each cover addresses specific needs. Make sure to choose one that fits your steering wheel size and driving style, and you'll be all set for a more comfortable ride.